What's up, y'all? This is Reese, owner and director of Spoiled Rotten Catering. We're using this time to use the platform to create experiences and other resources for people that are also inside of the food world. So with that being said, we're coming out with 2 courses. One on how to produce multiple streams of income within your catering business. So if you are that chef or that caterer that is just tired of cooking and only serving out dishes, we have some gems for you guys within the course. So sign up for that. And the second course, being our main course, is the one-on-one on how to start your catering business or food influencer platform with the unapologetic chef, myself. So you get about 6 to 8 weeks with me, or you can make it self-paced. And yes, you do get a reward at the end. That's a certificate. You get so many types of resources and gems within these courses. So I'm looking forward to meeting some of you and actually seeing you guys sign up. So with that being said, in conclusion, guys, I truly appreciate you guys for supporting Spoiled Rotten. Some of you have been rocking with me since the beginning, and I really, really appreciate that. But at this time, I want you guys to go ahead and sign up for these courses. If you can, tell a loved one, tell a friend, and you better believe you're going to get educated. So thank you guys once again for all of your support. I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys within the city. Peace.